A farmer owned a square field measuring exactly 2,261 yards on each side. 1898 yards from one corner and 1,009 yards from an adjacent corner stood a beech tree. A neighbor offered to purchase a triangular portion of the field, stipulating that a fence should be erected in a straight line from one side of the field to an adjacent side so that the beech tree was part of the fence. The farmer accepted the offer but made sure that the triangular portion was of minimum area. What was the area of the field the neighbor received, and how long was the fence? Answers. Area is equals to 919,120 and length is equals to 2018. In Bristol, 90% of the citizen drink tea, 80% drink coffee, 70% drink whiskey, and 60% drink gin. No one drinks all four beverages. What percent of Bristol's citizens drinks liquor? Answer. 100%. A pencil, eraser and notebook together cost $1. A notebook cost more than 2 pencils, and 3 pencils cost more than 4 erasers. If 3 erasers cost more than a notebook, how much does each cost? Answers. Pencils cost $26, erasers cost $19, and notebooks cost $55. On what days of the week can the first day of a century fall? The first day of the 20th century was January 1, 1901. Answer. Monday. A coffee pot with a circular bottom tapers uniformly to a circular top with radius half that of the base. A mark halfway up the side says, 2 cups. Where should the 3 cups mark go? Answer. About 2% of the way down from the top of the pot. 3 farmers, Adams, Brown and Clark, all have farms containing the same number of acres. Adams' farm is most nearly square, the length being only 8 miles longer than the width. Clark has the most oblong farm, the length being 34 miles longer than the width. Brown's farm is intermediate between these two, the length being 28 miles longer than the width. If all the dimensions are in exact miles, what is the size of each farm? Answers. 40 by 48, 32 by 60, and 30 by 64. There are 4 towns at the corners of a square. 4 motorists set out, each driving to the next clockwise town, and each man but the fourth going 8 miles per hour faster than the car ahead. Thus the first car travels 24 miles per hour faster than the fourth. At the end of 1 hour the first and third cars are 204, and the second and fourth 212 beeline miles apart. How fast is the first car traveling and how far apart are the towns? Answers. 50 miles per hour and 180 miles.